Hey guys, Bouzaid here. Wanted to share with you a little bit about what sits underneath the Life by Design 2-day event. On the surface, it's 2 days of getting clear about your visions, getting clear about the plans that will get you towards that vision, and the clear actions that just have to be done every day in order to bring all of that stuff to fruition. So that's what happens on the surface, but underneath that, I want to invite you to consider for a moment that there's a triangle model, and right in the middle of that triangle there is Life by Design, and that's all about having more. And the very nature of having more is maybe something that's new to a lot of us. It almost suggests abundance or possibly even greed, like why could I possibly have more? And I wanted to share with you a little bit more about that, because having more is actually the byproduct of living your life by design. So right at the top of the triangle, we have this concept called become more. So in order to have more, in order to lead a life by design, we want to become the very best version of ourselves. And so wherever we are at the moment, what would it look like in 5 or 10 or 20 years if we were better, stronger, wiser, and sharper? And in answering that question, we can really start to create some vision for ourselves around what it would mean and look like to become more of Joel. In the bottom left-hand corner, we want to enjoy more. So we've already got so much abundance and opportunity and relationship and great stuff in our life. And for many of us, we just live our life in a way that's very, very busy, and we're very, very engaged with what we do, but sometimes we forget about what's already there. One of the big things that comes out of Life by Design is people walk away with a series of actions, and one of them can be just like to simply reach out to people that they haven't been in touch with recently, and to go and visit that auntie that lives up north, or whatever it might be. And I think there's immense love and power and beauty in those very, very simple actions that mean so much to us. And then finally, in the bottom right hand corner of the triangle is all about giving more. So the idea is that if we become more ourselves, if we enjoy more ourselves, and if we give more, then that actually sets us up really well to have more. It's like an inside out approach to having more, and that really is what a Life by Design is all about. It's about becoming more, it's about enjoying more, and it's about giving more, as much as we can, in fact, because the more that we give, the more that we feel the positive emotions that really we want more of in our life. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a background and insight into the back end of Life by Design. It really is a weekend and an event that I love running.